I'm going to be totally real with you. I don't even know the answer to this question. Like if I'm configuring a new Linux system from scratch, I never know how big to make the actual swap device. Even if we just back up a little bit, like swapping, you're already in a bad space. Like if you run out of RAM in the machine and you go into swap, like it's already bad news. And then you have Linux that just has this thing that comes out of the woodworking and starts killing your processes if you're using too much memory. So like, it's the Wild West out there. I truly don't know. I remember the rule of thumb I used to follow was, I think it was like half of the size of your RAM or something, or it was like at least the same amount of size. I don't even remember. I think a long time it was actually double your RAM, but now the amount of RAM we have is just ridiculous from when I first started learning computers. So I remember like it being like the same size as the amount of RAM you have, or if you had like 8 gigs, you should leave it at 8 gigs, or if you had 4 gigs, you leave it at 4 gigs. Long story short, if I'm configuring a Linux system, I make it 2 gigs a swap, and it's good enough for me. I don't mess with it.